your own way. Um, Conferences in Madinat, Jumeirah, taking a friend on the way. We'll see you there.
Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am joined with Costa, my man, good to meet you. We have some exciting official news for BYDFi. Costa is officially our global brand ambassador with BYDFi. So thank you so much for joining us.
Sure. Yes, I want to give some words. First of all, I chose BYDFi because I met with Michael, with the CMO, and I believe in teams. I don't believe in ideas, I believe in teams. I look at team and I look at what values they have, and I just saw so much trust and so much hustle in the man, and I believe and I'm confident saying that BYDFi will be a leading exchange globally, not only in Asia, because in Asia it's already leading, but I believe globally it will be leading in 2025, and I want to be part of it.
Amazing. And so Costa is building his own incredible brand focused on YouTube and really helping traders and really onboarding people into the crypto space. And so as BYDFi is focused on so many different things, is there a specific aspect that you like to help educate your fans, your audience on with BYDFi that you kind of went our route?
Yeah, for sure we'll be trading. My popular videos are trading tutorials, so I think I have a good language explaining to the people how to trade and showing them step by step the process. And I'm proud of it because I know I onboarded people into crypto, because this is usually the first way they usually start with the exchange. That's how they get onboarded into crypto. So I would say onboarding them would be my mission in that.
That's beautiful. And as BYDFi hits our 5th year anniversary, it's incredible to have you now as the first official global brand ambassador. And where do we think now, as we've been in the industry for a long time, where are we going? What's next here in the crypto space, in the blockchain space?
So obviously, crypto is getting more and more professional.
Yeah.
You can see there's less startups, but more real brands. Even here at the conference, Token 2049, you see a lot of brands that already got trust of users. I know that this is the direction where crypto is going, professional direction and professional tools. And I think BYDFi is one of these kind of brands.
Five hours of the conference, we just stepped out. It's good to see people and meet in person people that I've been seeing on calls, I've been speaking on calls or on Telegram, texting. It's good to see them in person. This is how you build relations. and feeling so blessed being in such an environment, such a place. It's a beautiful thing. But it's very tiring. You know, it's very tiring being on these events for 5 hours. It's crazy. It feels like a few days because so many people talking, so many meetings, lights from everywhere, a lot of people, but in general, great event. And you got great cars like this one. As you can see, this isn't the this wouldn't be first choice for a conference, yeah, because there's so much nature here, and water, and it's kind of old school style, old school Arabic style place, but it looks amazing. The place, the conference itself looked amazing inside, and big shout out to organizers of Token 2049 because they bring everyone from the whole world from the crypto space to Dubai, and thanks to that, things are being built quicker. Another thing is the amount of inspiration you got in this place, just by listening to people who build crazy big things. Like today there was a panel there was a CEO of Tether, and you know the guy literally printed over $100 billion. And then it opens your eyes that you can do whatever you want. You know, you get inspirations from this kind of people and from this kind of places that you can build, and you can do great things. So we're heading now to another event. Let's check this place out.
Puerto Rico. Cryptomo. Hi, everyone. Where's the mic?
Is the mic here?
Oh, it's really that clean.
Yeah.
Well, I just want to say, guys, one of the best trading instructors I've ever worked with, Costa right here. He showed me some strategies that I didn't even think of and some indicators that I didn't even know existed. So make sure you're following and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on opportunities.
I didn't mean to kill that policeman. Why, of course not. It's against everything I've ever stood for.
Okay. Another event, another side event. But before we go there, I want to tell you, this is very intense. As you can see, intense time. Conference, side events, meeting people, working. I've been working since January, literally non-stop. Now, after that, 2 weeks from now, I'm going offline totally. You won't see me tweeting, you won't see me posting, you won't see me uploading video, none of that. And the reason of it is that I'm the kind of person that I get the best ideas when I'm out on holidays, when I'm out not being offline, when I'm out doing other things than simply grinding in front of the monitor and staring at charts. You know, I get the best ideas when I'm out of the office, when I'm out of the apartment, when I'm by myself. I love traveling by myself. I love traveling alone. If you've never tried that, try that, because this is probably one of the best experiences that you can possibly have. So now, intense time in Dubai, intense time working, etc. But do not get crazy from all these charts, trading, crypto, etc. You gotta take the time off, and this is what I'm gonna do. And like I said, you won't see me posting. Now let's go and head to the event. This is a nice ride. This is nice nature. It's a big crowd, yeah?
Yes, but not much others.
So yeah, we are entering the event. As you can see, lots of people here. And we'll catch some of these figures here.